What's up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be using the Lime Crime Unicorn hair in the shade Sext. It is like a dusty mauve rose. I'll show you what it looks like. Show you what it looks like in the jar. Anyway, I'm going to shut up and go ahead and put this on my hair. Alright, it's time to let it sit. I'm gonna give it 30 minutes-ish. I'm gonna play some God of War and come back to show you the results. Alright, here it is, and I quite like it. It's not really my favorite color or my favorite tone of pink, but it is basically what I expected out of the bottle, and I've just been really wanting to try this color for a while, so I figured now was the time. And yeah, it's definitely exactly what I think of when I think of like a dusty rose, which is how it's described on the website. Yeah, I have no complaints. My hair feels great, it smells great, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.